How to change your country or city on SoundCloud easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change or add a city or country to your SoundCloud profile. Easy and fast method. So all what you have to do is download the SoundCloud app and then log into your account and you will find this homepage. Now after you go to the homepage, you go down here below, click on the library option. Now after you click on the library option, you will find those options. Now all what you have to do is click on your profile picture in the top corner. Click on your profile picture and then choose the pencil right here. Click on the pencil like this. Now you will have this option of country and city right here. Here you can choose your country, like for example France, and you can add the city, for example Nice, like this. And then after you finish, just click save here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.